In this video, we'll be talking about how to navigate within the G-code of a control program in OptimumCNC software. So once you have some kind of a file loaded, it will have the G-code associated with it in the G-code sidebar that you can access by clicking this button. Here you can scroll through the program to read through every line of G-code that you have presented to you. You can also navigate to a particular line within the program. As you can see, my working point indicator, which is the red pin, is now moving line by line. You can also go 10 lines forward or 10 lines backwards within the control program. Note that the line number is changing by 10 every time I click one of these buttons. And you also have these two useful buttons right here for going to your next part, which means the next M71 cutting on command, and the previous part. That way you can quickly navigate within the program to start the program from a specific point. Thank you for watching.